Hey guys, Nick from Wakehouse.com. Today we're talking about liquid force lace locks, replace them on your old boots. So what you're going to need is your new laces, your old boot, a knife to cut your laces to size if you need to, a lighter to burn the ends so they don't fray. So what we're going to do to get started is just cut off your old laces. And just pay attention to how they're laced up now, so it's way easier when you put them all back together. The good thing about liquid force lace locks is they come with new pull handles on the end, so you can just throw away all your old laces. Once you got it all laced up, grab your first pull piece and just thread it right through.
Yeah, let them take a shot at it, and then before you send it over, let me take a look at it and see if I can pick up on anything that I would change.
And then grab your pull handles, thread them through and tie a knot at the end. You can trim them down to your desired length if you need to. You can pull off the plastic on the end. That was just so it's easier to pull it through all the eyelets.
Okay, sounds good.
You can trim off the little ends. There you go, and then burn the ends so they don't fray. And just pull it tight and repeat on your other 3 laces. Alright guys, that was a how-to on how to change the laces with liquid force lace lock kit. Go to your local Action Water Sports or Wakehouse.com to pick up your set. Thanks for watching.